This is going to be a video product review of the massage gun made by PerVita Medical. If you have never owned a massage gun before, you need to buy this thing. These are wonderful. Comes with a nice case, comes with 6 heads. I have not seen any other seller with a fantastic looking head like this. Looks like this will give you 3 different areas for impact. I like the large one. This is great for big muscle groups like the shoulders and the thigh. On the bottom over here we have the USB Type-C connector, so you don't have to mess with an AC adapter and a big power cord anymore. It comes with a power cord. Plug this into your cell phone charger or anything that gives you 2 amps. Beautiful case. Let's put in the big one here. These things are great if you have tight muscles, if you have sore muscles, lactic acid problems. Let me show you how this works. So, unlike the other companies, this is really neat. They've got everything set up to smart, training, relax, relief, SPA, I'm not sure what that means, and fitness. So what you do is you hold down the button, and now you can see, wow. See what it does to the hand? See what it's doing to the muscles inside? And this, okay, you hear the difference and you see the difference, how it speeds up? Look at this. This is like a variable speeds up. This has got some smart processing in it. I love this. Look at this. So this is what's going to happen inside your body, inside the shoulders or the legs, the muscles. You're going to get all of this percussion massage to break up all the tightness, to get the blood flowing, to relax the muscles. And all you have to do is pick whichever massage head you want and plug it in. Let's switch to the next speed. Over here, this is the training speed. Looks like it's just one speed. It's a slow speed, pulsating. Let's go to the next one, relax. It's definitely a faster speed. It's not as pulsating or percussion. It's more of a just one regular speed. We go over to relief over here. Okay, the speed picked up, and you can see how the head is moving in and out. Wonderful. What a wonderful product. Look at that. Let's go to the SPA. Again, I don't know what SPA. Wow. It's extremely quiet. It's got 6 hours of battery life before it needs another charge. And let's go to the final one, the fitness one. This is the one that I like. I like it powerful. I like it intense. I like it to break all the tightness up. Let me show you what I do after I get off my bike rides. After I get off my bike, my thigh muscles are really tight. My quads are tight. So you can see, even through the jeans, you can see what this is doing. This will remove the lactic acid, get the blood flowing, relax the tightness in the muscles so that you don't get soreness in your hips and your piriformis and your lower back. So if you're a bike rider, this is what you want. If you're a weightlifter, you want something like this. It works the arms, the forearms, the biceps. It will relax you. For me, because I have lots of shoulder and neck problems, I put this on the top of the shoulder, the back of the neck, and the back shoulders. And this just breaks up all the tension. I type a lot. I type a lot at the computer. This is wonderful to help you avoid having problems with carpal tunnel. This massage gun is made by PerVita Medical. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. This is wonderful. I really love how they've set this up with the individual controls over here. And the best part about this massage gun is you saw I showed you the different variable speeds, how it was speeding up and slowing down, and so that right there. I have not seen that on any massage gun on the market. This is wonderful, this is powerful, this is intense. It's got variable speeds so that if you're elderly or sensitive, this will be very beneficial to you, but it will not hurt you. And if you have large muscles and you want an intense massage, this is the massage gun for you.